Welcome to Sweaty Startup. This is going to be a little quick episode. And I just want to let you know that, yes, many of us are suffering. I know several small businesses that are hanging on by a thread. Some of them had wildly profitable 2019s, were growing fast, looking up, and now they're just hanging on. They're bunkered down. They are spending as little money as possible with the goal of surviving. But there's an entire other section of the economy that is exploding with new growth and new opportunity. So what I'm trying to tell you is that as the economy has tightened in some areas and less money is flowing in certain areas, the event business, the hospitality business, that money is getting redirected and folks are spending that money in other areas. And I want to talk about one area in particular because everybody that I know is spending money in this area, including me, and the people who are in this business are doing phenomenally well. And it goes right in line with the sweaty startup mentality, and it's home services. Home services, and I'm talking about everything from high-skilled general contracting, plumbing, electrical, remodeling, flooring, drywall, painting, everything from that to closet building, to landscaping, to pool installation, to patio building, to deck building, to deck staining, to house cleaning, to gutter cleaning, to lawn care. All of it is exploding right now because people are sitting at home. People are not only sitting at home, but they are getting out of the cities and they are buying homes. They're buying new homes in suburbs and rural areas. And the first thing people do when they buy a home is they make that home how they want it. People were just locked in their homes for 4 months, 6 months, and now they are making their homes nice because if you're going to be locked in your home, you might as well make it nice. So they're remodeling it, they're painting it, they are redoing their closets, they are spending money on their outdoor areas. I put a fence in my backyard, I finished my basement, I did a lot of things myself around here, did a little bit of landscaping, planting, and it's a huge opportunity, period. So if you are thinking about starting a business, I would encourage you to look at home services right now. And I'm talking about fence building. I'm talking about lawn care. I'm talking about painting. I'm talking about if you're a tradesman and you understand and you're good at a specific skill around the house, you could do phenomenally well right now. There's a huge shortage of general contractors. And there's also a lot of great talent out there that you can hire. So I really encourage you to pull the trigger now and start that business. You can get a launch kit. Go to launchkits.com/sweaty, and you can get a website, a Google My Business location, a G Suite account, a Google Voice, Google Analytics, everything you need to start a business online and get found online for $450. It's phenomenal. You can go to launchkits.com/sweaty. Just start something, do something. Even if it's on the side, right? You don't need to quit your job. Just get out and start something. And the opportunities will come knocking. You'll go service a couple customers. You'll learn. You'll be able to reinvest those profits. You'll be able to grow your business. And I'm just encouraging you to get out there because while some areas of the economy are hurting, other areas are not. And home services are blowing up right now. So whether it's a cleaning company of any kind, you can clean many things, right? You can pressure wash pavement, you can clean the inside of somebody's house or building and improving people's homes. There's huge demand for it. Get out there and make it happen.